Hi and welcome back to Tier 10 to Prem. This is Mousehole AFC again. We all know this team by now. It's episode 48. And today we've got Basford in the Southern League Cup. And also, to round this one off, we've got the fourth qualifying round against South Shields. Another team we've never played before, so should be an interesting couple of games. So please do hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, smash those like buttons. And please do get notified when we're next up. As we all knew, this season was going to be a tricky one. And a loss against Eastbourne Borough and a draw against Slough has put us 6th in the league. Now, we didn't think we were going to be anywhere near this, because when you go on the old competition, season preview, 19th. That's what they were saying. But as it stands at this moment in time, we're looking pretty good. Say a loss and a draw, but what do you expect? You can't expect miracles. First loss of the season, goal difference of 5. See, nobody's really running away with it. So, today's game, massive changes. We had that run of cup games and league games and all in between, and it's taken its toll. So today, Harvey in goal, ever present, never missed a game. Touch wood, that's done that one. Thank you, FM. Kraski at right back, Richards, Dupey, Riley Lowe, Collins, Todd, Mahadi, Ford, Pickering and Goldsworthy. There's Ford. He's got a face. Yay! Get in there, son. In fact, we need to change him from an inside forward to a winger on attack. That's his position. And Collins, you can see, young midfielder. He's got his chance today. It's just purely just levels. Levels are not great. Kieran Toland, you know, when you compare the two, let's just bring him in. Where is he? Collins. You can see he's just got the edge. The youngster, Kieran Toland, now 29 years old. Still plenty of football in him, but you can just see overall, for a centre midfielder, passing of 11, teamwork, work rate, you know, it's just vision, just got that edge. Obviously Kieran's a bit quicker, but the youngster gets his chance today. Just trying to think where we actually signed him from. Yeah, he was Exeter City, so enough of that. So I was saying Collins, Todd, Mahadi, Ford. So complete change of football today. But fingers crossed. Like you can see the levels in here. It's shocking. Absolutely shocking. But we knew it was going to be difficult. And as we can see from there, so many players not going to last. And look at the changes. Basford. What can we do against Basford? This will be an interesting one. Got nothing to lose here. And here come the teams. We're in our blue today for our away kit. And we can actually. It's It's Cup again. I keep forgetting to change it. When he's at the bar, Corey picks it up. Great save. I've got to change it. Next game. We're in the league next game. I can change it. Keep forgetting to do it. You can see the levels. Oh. Dupey. Richards straight through the keeper. He's not played much football. Now, Dupey's been done, but Corey Harvey. How many times are we going to say his name over the years? Absolute monster in goal. Absolute star. And he's still with us all these years on. Never missed a game. Dupey meets the ball. Goldsworthy. Collins. Pickering. Mahadi. Dodd. All little back heel. Goldsworthy just past the post. Nice little flick by Dodd then. But these levels are worrying me to death. Oh, we have got to fix this one. That's mental note, James. Sort that out. And here we are, 20 minutes in. XG's 0.2, 0.3. It's a free kick to Bashford. And Paul Walker, goodness sake, has curled one straight over the wall, in off the post. Did it go? I think off the bar. No, straight in. Oh. Right, boys, fire up! Come on. 25 gone. Let's get on this ball. Collins, get it. Come on, son. Where are you? Where are you? And it's 2-0. Before you know it, it's 2-0. Now, I said before the game, don't worry about this game too much because you might not have much chance. And I think with all the changes we've had to make, it certainly has gone that way. The ball comes in. He's offside, surely. Yeah. Thank you. Put it back to 2. Cheeky sausages. Now, we need to fire them up. Come on. Anxious. Playing okay, but they've got players having good games. That's the trouble. Come on. Demand more. Coming into half time. Richards in danger of being booked. Anxious. What do you mean? You're 30 years old. Oh. And there's Richards' card. As he was just saying he was going to get one. Motivated. Now he's got a card. For goodness sake, man. Why'd you have to get a card? Mahadi's anxious. 2-0 down. This is not good enough. Far from pleased. Shouldn't have gone with the team talk you said, Jake, at the start. That's the blooming problem. Now, demand more from everybody. Collins. Dupey. Collins again. Mahadi. Goldsworthy. Come on. That's the way. Let's get back into this game. Couple of minutes into the second half. Collins. Mahadi. Goldsworthy. Beautiful. Right. Now. Now it's tight offside. Go away. You know I don't like tight offsides. Get away with you. Right. What's the levels? Shot to pieces. Look at them. Look at them. They look like they've never played football before. Ford. Ford would be the first one. Ford off. Amara. In you come. Harvey. Goal kick. Richards. Nodded back. Come on, Dupey, get into him. Walker. Comfortable for Corey. 6.4. 6. Dodd's having a shocker. Toland on for Dodd. Goldsworthy flicks it on to nobody. Come on, Dodd. It's your final part of the play, son. Bakayoko. Goldsworthy couldn't wrap his foot around it. Shout. Demand more. Come on. Dupy man mark, I agree. Collins. Who else is out there? So Mahadi to Collins to Toland. Kieran Toland. Get in there, son. Talking about leaving him on the bench. But Collins is playing so well, I think I'll have to save it for potential extra time. What a strike. What a strike that is. So, extra time potential, 20 minutes to go. Let's just fire them up for these last 20. Dupy. Mahadi. Collins. Little ball. Oh, he was in, son. Back to the keeper. The overlap was there. Collins, bit better vision, might have seen that. Dupy nods it down. Bakayoko. Bakayoko. Goldsworthy. Goldsworthy to Mahadi. Oh, close. Now, who is the next? Goldsworthy, it could be. Now, okay. Can't do a shout at the minute. 15 to go. Goldsworthy. He's having a good game, but we don't want to break him. Collins as well, another one. I think it might have to be Collins for Davis. Harrison Davis. Can he be the saviour in midfield? Keep being said about playing him there. We don't normally play him. But before the change has been made... 3-2. Right, now, make the change. Yes, shout. Demand more. Let's go very attacking these last few minutes. We know it doesn't work, let's just go attacking. And Richards has challenged somebody. Has he been sent off? No, not yet. Thank goodness for that. Come on. Come on. One more. Just an attack. Let's have it. It's saying Mouse are winning corners and all, but nothing. We're out of that one. Toland came on, had man of the match for us. Can't dwell on it. It's unfortunate. We were the underdogs, apparently. Let's have a look what league this lot are in. You know, Basford. Can I click there? No. Basford. Basford are... Oh yeah, Northern League, aren't they? So, 10th. So maybe. Late goal. Was a late goal. Collins made his debut. But we're out of the League Cup. That's probably the one we can afford to be out of. And now it's South Shields. And they're another Vanarama North side. So let's fast forward a few days. And here we are for the return. And it's the South Shields game. Yes. And massive changes again today. Everybody's fit. So they're all back in. Just got to change him up to an inside forward on support. So, a familiar side as before. Harvey in goal, Robinson, Todd, Purcell, Lovell, Kite, Crawford, Glover, Phelan, Pickering and Goldsworthy. So all the usual suspects are back in. As we can see, everybody's changed back. So today's day, can we make the first round proper? This lot 12th in Vanarama North, so let's see what we can do. It's the first Cloud Arena apparently we're playing at today. South Shields. It's Hunter, and they're knocking the ball around nicely. And is it going to be double heartache in the cups on this episode? We've had it before. Please, please don't have it again. Now their keeper must have just returned from injury or something, because he is not looking fit at all. I'm going to go for their XG story. So XG, we're up on XG. 0.15. Yeah. Oh, ridiculous. Lee Jonas booked for them. And let's encourage everybody. Fired up. Yes, that's the one we want. Come on. Let's get the ball back. Let's get the ball back. What did it just say? Everybody's fired up. Everybody's happy. We're going blooming concede. Come on. It's a waste of a blooming shout. Demand more now. Crikey Moses. Come on. We've got to do more. Levels. Levels are not good. We knew that players were looking okay, but you just never tell. But they're certainly the fittest ones we've got, and they're giving it all. But we haven't got enough at the minute. Come on. Berate them. We want more, boys. Come on. Composed. Let's go a bit more attacking. Everybody's focused. But it's 1-0 at half time. Show me. We've been the better side. No, we've not been the better side. Show me something different. I think that's about all we can say, really. We don't want to completely do them. Bobby Joe Taylor's getting too much space. That's fair enough. Oh, Crawford, man. Come on, son. Oh, and how quick's he? Cannoner. Oh, thank goodness for that. Come on, Harvey. Demand more of everyone. Lovell. Lovell. Goldsworthy. Pickering. What? Oh. Their keeper is like 70% or something. Why aren't we blooming scoring past him? Pickering picks it up, knocks it back in, and their keeper's out. Now, Phelan. That's the trouble. People are playing well, but Phelan off for Ford and Glover. Off for Mahadi. Oh, hello, here we go. A little glitch. Maybe that was because I was doing the substitutions. Crawford. Kite. Robinson. Glover. Glover. Graphical. Who was that? Who gave up then? That was Robinson. Fuming. Fuming here. In fact, Robinson, son, you're off. No, he's not, because we haven't got him on the bench. Well, actually, we can go Lovell, can't we? Lovell can go out there. Pickering. Mahadi. Pickering. Pickering. Goldsworthy. Get in there, son. 1-1. Half an hour to go. Connor Hardy. Pickering had the shot. Keeper saved it. Went out wide, but Goldsworthy's there. Now, Robinson with a 6.4 now. We'll just hold fire for a minute. We've made a couple of changes. Go back to a positive mentality. Let's fire them up. Oh no. No. Oh, not put myself back in the screen either. Oh, it's been disallowed. Oh, joy. Lino, you're a superstar. Oh my god, it's just mental. It's absolutely mental. I don't like seeing this XG. Focus of attacks. Yeah, that'll do. Right. There's only 65 gone. We made 2 changes. We've got 1 left. I'm losing the plot here today. Absolutely. Okay, right. Who else can we change? Oh, look at them all. Look at the levels. Absolutely shot to pieces. But who's the worst player out of all of them? Lovell. Crawford again. Crawford's son. Crawford. We'll give Collins another run. Who did they say? I didn't see that. Something happened. Come on. Got it back. Goldsworthy. Square it. Pickering. Oh my goodness me. What a comeback. They were saying Robinson off and put Richards on. Ignore it. We've already made a change. Goldsworthy squared the ball for Pickering. Laid on a plate. Oh my goodness me. Now, I don't normally go balanced. And let's just encourage them just to say, come on boys, you can do it. See it through. Come on, win it back. Oh, what a challenge. From whoever that was there then. Todd, you little superstar. 4 minutes of added on time. And they've got the ball again. And it's been smashed clear. Pickering picks it up. Beats his man. Squares it to Goldsworthy. Who finishes it off? Oh my goodness me. Oh, the joy. We've just beaten South Shields by 3-1. And it's that combo up top. They are unstoppable. Goodness me. What a game that was. Yes, indeed. We're into the next round. Magnificent. Congratulations. First round proper for Mousehole AFC coming up. That will definitely be an episode. That is for sure. It's been a while. Press the wrong button now. 10 grand. Oh. Derek. Look at that. We're up in the big stuff. Harvey praises PRIISEK's team talk. Can we have a couple of continues a second just to see who we get in the next round? Because the draw I thought was here, but maybe it's not. Come on, who we got? And has the draw been done? Let's have a look a minute. First round unknown still. Well, I'll come back in the next episode for that one. If you've enjoyed that, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to get notified. And we'll be back for the first round proper. See you soon.